My dad listened to the Jewish Hour. Jewish Hour was a Sunday morning program of Jewish music with this little portable radio that had a cassette deck in it, and he would record the music, and it was Yiddish music, right? Yiddish music, and at that time, you know, especially, a lot of it had to do also with Israeli music. But you know, I still have some of those tapes. I have those tapes, some of them, and you know, he cut out the commercials, and the commercials would have been the most interesting part of it, because they were the local Jewish outlets which no longer exist, right? And the kinds of things that they were advertising. There's a CD now out that I bought from the New York Jewish stations or Jewish programs, whatever, and they have the commercials in there. And you know, you listen to these things, and it's hokey, unbelievably hokey, and it's wonderful. It's wonderful stuff. We went to summer camp in Toronto, and one of the kids in my cabin was the son of one of the bakers in Toronto that also had commercials on the radio, and Crown Bread. And his father, on Parents' Day, his father would bring these fresh blueberry buns. Ever since then, I love blueberry buns, right? But his father would bring these blueberry buns from the bakery and share them and stuff like that. But that was also part of the commercial, so I remember that one most vividly.